No, it's Matt. That's Matt. That's ours.
No.
It holds my weight. Just.
I wish there were enemy around so I could just jump and go, woo!
There where we were hiding, Matt, in that corner.
Yeah, I thought they would. How many of us are here?
Me and you.
Oh, there's nobody. No, they're angry at me.
They got hit really quickly.
Oh yeah, in that big hole above. I managed to get him, which I thought. I avenged my brethren. Do you want to try, there's that big fallen log over there, do you want to try and go for that?
No, they're all in this area in front of us.
Oh. Okay.
They're over there.
I thought they were the other, oh. There's pretty much just walk into it.
There, we have. Can you see him?
Nope.
You take the chance. Look around the tree.
Oh.
That was a good surprise.
They're behind that.
That's ours.
Sure.
That's just who got them.
Yeah, that is ours. I've noticed how nice it is to have knee pads. Ah.
Harry's just coming back in.
I don't know if Harry's ever going to come again, really. I said about today, he said he's leaving his gun to Saffron.
Never happened.
Eh?
Never happened. Never gave it to her.
Alright. Was he meant to?
Yeah.
Sick.
Watch out. Harry's coming back in. They're all down here. They're where we were hiding. And they're dug in. Harry's coming back in.
Yeah.
Make sure you keep an eye on him because he will pop up on you.
Where dug in are they? How far?
Where we were, in the holly bushes everywhere. Remember Goslin's on their team. Huh?
Guy that's in Gosland.
Gosland?
Yeah.
An M4, but he runs it with freeze, so it goes through holly bushes. And it hurts.
Yeah. Well, I hit you now.
Harry's just got back in.
One coming up from the right. Which way's the respawn?
Just over there. Go through these holly bushes, you'll be alright. He's gone round. You got him. No. Yeah, you did, you got him. Yeah. What? Oh yeah.
Just in the bushes there.
Ken, what are you shooting at?
Let's go through the bushes, through that gap. They keep coming through.
People straight across the glade.
Yeah, they're dead.
I just shot three from there. They keep coming.
Alright, Kane, look out for them.
Oh, no, I got him by the looks of it.
That's good. I'd rather have them in there. You don't need to go to yours in there.
No, there's maybe another two in there.
Oh my head!
There's what? Okay.
We're going to try and cut
Get,
round.
yeah. Kane's just been hit. Amber, watch out behind us.
No, I can't kill him.
You see him?
Got him.
I hear BB's hitting trees. I like the little bit of grass you're putting your camera.
Oh,
Underneath your camera. It looks pretty bad.
thanks. Yeah.
Too dense. I think we get in there.
Yeah.
Oh, guys moving up.
Sorry.